Hi, good morning. This is a recording tutorial on the Holly and the Ivy for Recorder. Before we begin to play the piece, we're going to go over the 8 notes that you need to know how to play in order to play the song. We're going to start with the lowest note and go all the way to the highest note on the recorder. So, the first lowest note that we need to play is a low D as in dog. And to play this note, you need to make sure that you're covering the back thumb hole with your thumb. 1, 2, 3 in the left hand, and then with the right hand you're going to go 1, 2, 3. So I have thumb in the back, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And remember, the lower you go, the slower you blow. So that is the lowest note in our song. The next lowest note is a low E, which is just like the note D, but you want to pick up the bottom finger now. So we have thumb, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. This is a low E as an elephant. Next lowest note is a G. And G, we do not need the right hand. So the right hand you can just place on the bottom of the bell for support of the recorder. But you need to use your thumb, 1, 2, and 3 to play that note. Next note is an A, which is just like G, thumb, 1, 2, 3, but you want to pick up the bottom finger. So you have thumb, 1, 2. And then the next note is a B, which looks like you're pinching the recorder. So you need to pick up then your middle finger. So you're just holding it with your thumb and your pointer finger. A B as in boy. The next note is a C. And the trick to getting C is you want to pretend like you're playing the A like we did before, just thumb, 1 and 2. Now what you want to do is you want to pick up the top finger, your pointer finger. So you're just holding it now with thumb and your middle finger, the second hole. So that is a C. The next one is a high D, and this one is a little bit difficult to hold the recorder because now you're going to pick up your back thumb, so it does not need the thumb covered, and you just keep the second middle finger down over the second hole. You're going to want to take your right hand, you're going to want to hold the bell behind it for some support, otherwise you're going to find it very difficult to hold the recorder as you play a high D as in dog. And the last one is a high E, which you're going to keep the back thumb open, so you do not put your thumb here. Your thumb comes off. You're going to play 2, 3 with the left hand, and then with your right hand you're going to play 1, 2. So if you're looking at the holes, you're going to have the second hole, the third hole, the fourth hole, and the fifth hole covered to play a high E as an elephant. And remember, as you get higher, you don't want to blow as hard because what can happen is the pitch can spread and your ears are also going to hurt as well as anyone else around you. So you want to make sure that you're playing nice and gentle. So these are the notes that we need to know how to play before we can even start practicing the song, The Holly and the Ivy. So I recommend practice each one of these 8 notes slowly and carefully. And then once you feel pretty comfortable with playing them, then you want to go ahead and try looking through your packet and playing the song. I'm going to play a song at a slow tempo, and once you get the hang of it, feel free to play along with the recording. You can pause it, you can practice it in little sections, and this should help you be prepared then for the winter program. So here is our song, The Holly and the Ivy. It starts with a G. So that is our song, The Holly and the Ivy. And also what I would suggest is that when you're practicing it, there are a couple ways to do it. The first way would be to count and clap and speak the rhythms. The second way then would be to sing the note names. And you can also finger along with the recorder as you sing the note names. The third way would then be to go back and play it. So we're going to clap and speak the rhythm. So we start with a quarter note, which is ta. So it goes ta, ta, sorry. Ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ah. Ti, 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 ta, 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 ah. Ti, 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 ta. Ti, 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 ta. Ti, 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 ta, 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 ah. Ti, 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 ta, 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 ta. Ti, 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 ta, 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 ah. Ti, 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 ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta, 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 ah. So that's the first way. The second way then would be to sing the note names. And we start on a G. So I'm going to get our pitch here. So that's our pitch. It starts on a G and it goes G, 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 E, D, B, G, 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 E, D, D, C, B, A, G, B, B, E, E, D, G, A, B, C, B, A, G, 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 E, D, B, G, 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 E, D, D, C, B, A, G, B, E, E, D, G, A, B, C, B, A, G. And again, you can sing it without the recorder. You can sing it and practice fingering it as you sing it. So that's the second way to practice it. The third and final way then to practice it would be to put both parts together while doing the recorder. So we're going to be reading the rhythms while reading the music notes and playing it on recorder. And if you practice the Holly and the Ivy on recorder just like that, you'll be very successful when we have to do our winter program in about 5 weeks.